Hello, this is Ramya. Welcome to the video tutorial of C++ programming. Today we would be discussing about inline function. Here I have an example. In this we have a display function which is not returning nothing and it has integer as an argument, and this display function is being called in the main function. This is a function call. When we call a function, it has many overheads such as stacks, arguments, jumps, etc., which in turn would increase the execution time. Here in this example also we have function display. Okay, when we call the function display, the function of the control from the function call has to be transferred to the function definition. Then it has to be transferred back to the main function. Also the arguments has to be moved on to the stack. So lot of overhead is involved. So what can we do is, if we are calling a very short function like the one here, okay, then we can use a keyword called inline. Okay, when we use this keyword inline with any function, if we use the keyword inline with any function, okay, the compiler would place the code of that function in place where we have called that function. Suppose I have used a keyword called inline here. Okay, so compiler would do what? It would place the whole code. This is the code of the function. We have only one line of code. So compiler would copy it and it would simply place it over here. Sorry, it would copy it and simply place it over here. Okay, place it over here. This is how the inline function works. Okay, I'll undo it. This is how the inline function works. Okay, instead of placing the arguments in the stack and passing control, they simply place the code in the place where the function is being called. Okay, so this would increase the increase the speed. It would lessen the execution time. But when to use the inline function? Inline function should be used when the functions are very small, because if the function size is very large, it would increase the size of the executable code. Suppose in this case there would be executable code generated, but this is just a one line. So copying one line from here to here, it won't make any difference in the size of the executable code. But if the function is very large function, and the size of the executable code would be increased. So inline function should be used when the functions are very short, very small. Let us execute this code without making it inline. Okay, execute. I'll compile and run. Okay, the result is 10. Okay, closed it. I'll run it again. See, the result is 10. And after making it inline, let us execute it. If I make it inline, let it execute it. See, the result is same. The compiler is doing what? It is just copying the code from here and it is pasting it here. So inline function can be used whenever you have small function. It would minimize the overhead such as passing to stacks, jumps, etc. Thank you.